Take a ride in the 2020 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote vehicle start, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.